Hi, since my stepdad passed away, my mum's given me the arduous task of trying to sell all his toy collection. Now there is quite a lot, so I'll go through each one. So if you just... He's got... I'll just show you, just... Hopefully they're all into view. Mr. Bean's car. He's had these for a good number of years. Hopefully a collector will be able to see what we've got. Got lots of corgi ones. He's even got lorries, cars, and an Eddie Stobbart collection, and the Eddie Stobbart story. And a Pickford's collection. Now the rest are all just, these are like Days Gone. Sorry about the layout, but these are all on our kitchen floor. We even have old Sunday Post ones, Oxford die cast. And the classic cars and the old timers. And then we have Virago, all different kinds. And then antique lorries. We have another set of Formula Ones with the World's Greatest Formula One Cars DVD. And then just a load of miscellaneous cars and trucks. We have exclusive first editions of buses. And Kellogg's die-cast trucks. And some Matchbox. So if you're a collector of toy cars and you are interested in these, please contact me on toy cars to sell at yahoo.co.uk. That's toy cars to sell at yahoo.co.uk. And there's like 272 in the collection. Thank you.